You might have seen this message posted across social media lately, so let's have a look at it. You'll find all the code for this in the description, so you can run it yourself. The Python wrapper that you will be using is called tweepy. So let's just take this portion of the tweet and use it in our query so that we can get back the tweets that have been sent over the past 24 hours and contain this piece of text. We can then build a data frame with these tweets and have columns like user handle, account location, and the date when the account was created. Just with this string, we can find 2488 tweets. And if we scroll through them, we notice that they're all a variation of the same message. The only thing that seems to change is the place where they're moving. So some say they're going to North Korea, Kazakhstan, others are packing for Alaska, Hawaii. But for the most part, it's the same message. So let's look at these accounts. If we separate them by location and creation date, we find that most of these accounts were created within the last 3 months, and almost all of them were created within the last 6 months. Another thing to notice here is that only a small fraction of these accounts are from the United States. So this is basically a single botnet that works using most likely Selenium WebDriver or some automation at the level of the UI, because we can see that the tweets were posted from a web app. And it randomly chooses a location from an array. It's very basic actually, and Twitter should definitely pick up on these patterns automatically. Anyway, like I said, I'll link this code in the description, and I'll also leave a link to an article that I wrote about this kind of thing. And if you're thinking, if you're a relatively clean woman over the age of consent, but not too old, okay, and you're thinking to yourself, hey, this guy is kind of smart, I wouldn't mind letting him touch my boobs. Yes, that's something that I would like as well.